these 3 months are the good opportunity for all the children, for all the Buddhists all over the world to engage in more meritorious activities. I think sharing meritorious activities in these 3 months. In Buddhism, we call it rain retreat or Vassana. So, Nanda Buddha.
It is kind of like colored water in a glass, sort of like orange juice.
Okay, do you understand that? Here it is the glass and filled with colored water. Understood? Everyone can see, I think everyone can see and really understand what is inside here and what looks like. So you can have the nature of that water as well as we feel the pure water. When you are continuously feeling, the yellow color disappear now. Kusalassa upasampada sachitta pariyodapana etam buddhana sasana. That means don't do bad, do more and more good deeds and clean your own mind. That is Buddha's teaching. Understood? See the mind? Yes. Yes. So we will do small meditation activity. We are going to spread the loving kindness for everyone. Our loving kindness for the parents as well. So think about your parents. May our parents be free from all the sufferings. May our parents be happy. May our parents be healthy. May they able to be a healthy long life. And also we think, imagine about our teachers, relatives, the venerable monks, and people who are supporting, and we will spread our light kind of noise. So this is the way, this is one way we are going to clean our own.
මේගොල්ලන්ට මේ උගන්වන්න මේ අත්න ජීවිතය පිළිබඳව ඒ නිසා මේ සාමාන්‍ය සිවුරක් අත්න ජීවිතේ ඉන්නේ sadhu sadhu sadhu. Okay, today you are gathered with a great meritorious act. What we call it? Kathina ceremony. What is it? Kathina ceremony. It's all about a robe. What does mean a robe? Type of clothes. Who wear it? Monks. Right? So you can choose many kind of, the clothes, type of clothes. But the monks only allowed to use, we call robe. Right? Since ancient time, the Buddha's time, the robe structure is same even today. Hasn't the change at all. So, symbolizing the Vassana season is finished, so you have to offer a robe to the monk who observed Vassana retreat. So, thank you very much. You offer a robe, we call Kathina robe, to the Venerable Mahasangha. Now, Nanda Bodhihamdra is going to show you the structure of the robe, how it look like. Have you seen robe before? Yes. So monks are wearing it. But now you can see how it look like. Okay?
So children, can you see this is the robe as monks we are wearing. This is a real robe, okay? So this is the, I think some of you haven't seen this. This may be the first time you are seeing a robe. This is normally made like silk or different kind of materials, so cotton, some silk, cotton and everything. But the most important thing is, can you see the nature of the robe? So here, you just, if you have a look, you can see there are small pieces collectively completed a robe. So in Buddha's teaching, we call this as, this looks like a paddy field. Have you seen a paddy field? So that is the nature, or it symbolizes the robe. The robe also Buddha has advised to show like a paddy field. So here you can see there are different squares as well as rectangular boxes, just like how a paddy field shows you or reflect. That shows, and this robe shows us, as well as we are spending a simple life and we are going to wear only this robe as a cloth, not for any kind of like showing our the values, or we are not going to show this as a ornament, just to spend a special spiritual life as well as to practice Buddha's teaching. So as you may have different kind of clothes, sometimes for wearing a party as well as for night time, you may have night dresses, but for the monks, if you are going anywhere for any reason, this is the only robe, only cloth we used to wear. Role model or some kind of activities we are going to show. You can see the real cutting robe ceremony offerings in different Buddhist culture. Not only in England, not only in Sri Lanka, all over the Buddhist people are celebrating this special ceremony. So you can offer. So you also participated for Katna robe offering ceremony. You can see how it looks like, how it going to happen. You can see enormous numbers of monks also, they are coming to this offering ceremony. So at this moment, think about the special role model you have done. This is the way you practice, this is the way you develop your wholesome thoughts inside you. Departed in our name, who helped us, who look after us. So this is the way we help them, transfer the merits for them or make them happy. By engaging these kind of meritorious activities, we can help, and that is the Buddha's teaching. This is the only way we can help for the departed relatives. So think about all the departed relatives in your name. May they rejoice in this meritorious activity. May they have a good and healthy existence in their samsaric journey. As well as now I am going to bless you all from the power of the merits we accumulated today, as well as by participating a Katina robe offering ceremony, a rare and valuable, great merit generating activity, and also from the blessings of the infinite qualities of Buddha, Dhamma and Mahasangha, from the grace of all the gurus who are protecting this Buddhist dispensation and this world. May you all be free from sufferings, may you all be healthy, may you all be happy, may you all feel
Dhammavadante ayuvanno sukham balam. Okay children, so now we are going to place the offering to the Buddha. So you can follow the Vimal Buddhi Hamguru. So we have to place the offering. So you have to go here and bring them over here. Okay? Now you can stand up and follow the Vimal Buddhi Hamguru. The parents, so you can stay here. Then කටින චීවර පූජාවේ තියෙන විශේෂත්වය මොකක්ද? ඒකට හේතුව තමයි පිළිතුරුනේ දැන් සාමාන්‍යයෙන් ස්වාමීන් වහන්සේ නමකට සිවුරක් පූජා කරන එක ඕන වෙලාවක කරන්න පුළුවන්. දැන් කලින් සිවුරක් අරගෙන පූජා කරන්න පුළුවන්. හැබැයි ඔබ විශ්වාස කරනවද කඨින චීවරයක් එහෙම පූජා කරන්න පුළුවන් කියලා? මොකද්ද තියෙන වෙනස? සාමාන්‍ය සිවුරකයි කඨින චීවරයකයි තියෙන වෙනස මොකක්ද? ඔව් අවුරුද්දකට එක සැරේ පූජා කරන්න පුළුවන්. ඇයි? දැන් වෙන අවස්ථාවලදී අපිට ගෙදරට ස්වාමීන් වහන්සේ කෙනෙක් වැඩපුවාම දානේ පූජා කරන්න පුළුවන්. ඒව කරන්න පුළුවන්. වහන්සේලාට තව තවත් চিරාත් කාලයක් මේ ආගමික ශාසනික සේවාවන් සිදු කරන්නට හැකියාව, ශක්තිය, ධෛර්යය, වාසනාව, ඉදුක් නිරෝගී භාවයේ දීර්ඝායු සම්පන්නියම සැලසේවා කියලා සාදු කියලා ප්‍රාර්ථනා කරමින් උන්වහන්සේලා පිළිගන්නේ. ඉතින් දැන් තව සුළු වේලාවකින් අපේ ලෞතර බුදුරජාණන් වහන්සේ උදෙසා ඒ තුන් සම්බුද්ධ පූජාව පූජා කිරීමේ පින්කම සිදු කරනවා. ඉතින් ඒ පින්කම සිදු කිරීම පිණිස අපි ගෞරවයෙන් ආරාධනා කරනවා ලියපුල් ශ්‍රී සම්බුද්ධ විහාරයේ විහාරාධිකාරී ගෞරව ශාස්ත්‍රවේදී පූජ්‍ය තිස්සපුර සුගත රතන ස්වාමීන් වහන්සේට. ඒ වගේම අද දවසේදී අනුශාසනා දෙකක් පැවැත්වෙනවා. කඨින චීවර පූජාවට පෙර ආතුව දානමය පූජාව පිණිස එක අනුශාසනාවකුත් ඒ වගේම දානයෙන් පස්සේ කඨින චීවර පූජාවට සමගාමීව ඉංග්‍රීසි භාෂික අනුශාසනාවකුත් පැවැත්වෙනවා. Most Venerable Mahasangha, dear children and devoted friends in Dhamma, today we come together in unity and devotion to perform one of the most significant meritorious events of the year, the third annual Kathina ceremony at the Wales Buddhist Vihara. This gathering marks 15 years of dedication and spiritual growth for our community. And it brings me great pleasure to see so many of you here today. This year's Kathina ceremony is made possible by the unwavering support and devotion of Mr. Ashana Abegunasekara, Mrs. Asha Abegunasekara, son Leon Abegunasekara, and their loving daughter Liana Abegunasekara. They have shown exceptional commitment to the Wales Buddhist Vihara, consistently expressing their deep respect for the Triple Gem and dedicating themselves to the well-being of the Sangha. We are grateful for their generosity and devotion which make this auspicious day possible. They have graciously fulfilled all the requisites for this meritorious act, ensuring the comfort and needs of the monks who observe Vassana rainy retreat. While the Venerable monks will soon deliver a sermon on the profound significance of this ceremony, I would like to take a moment to extend my heartfelt welcome to everyone here today. First, I respectfully welcome all the Venerable Mahasangha who have honored us with their presence today, representing various Buddhist temples across the United Kingdom. Most Venerable Mahasangha, your presence is a true blessing for our community, and we wish you continued health, strength, and longevity to guide us and serve the world. To all friends in Dhamma, on behalf of the Wales Buddhist Vihara, I warmly welcome each of you who have travelled from different cities across England and Wales, including Cardiff, Newport, Bridget, Pontypridd, North Wales, and Bristol, London. Your commitment to this ceremony reflects the strength and unity of our community, and we are deeply grateful for your presence here today.
Namaskar. Children can keep sitting. Buddhang saranang gacchami, Dhammang saranang gacchami, Sanghang saranang gacchami, Dutiyampi buddhang saranang gacchami, Dutiyampi dhammang saranang gacchami, Dutiyampi sanghang saranang gacchami. Tatiyampi buddhang saranang gacchami. Tatiyampi dhammang saranang gacchami. Tatiyampi sanghang saranang gacchami. Musavada veramani sikkhapadang samadhiyami. Suramera Japamadatana veramani sikkhapadang samadhiyami. හොඳයි සාදුකාරයක් පවත්වන්න. දැන් සියලු දෙනා අසුන් ගන්න. මූලාසනයේ වැඩ සිටින බර්මින්ගම් ජේතවන විහාරාධීශවර, ලිවර්පූල් ශ්‍රී සම්බුද්ධ විහාරාධීශවර, විතාන්ති බෞද්ධ විහාරාධීශවර,
පාරගත්ත පින්වත් මහත්මයාස්මින් ඉන්නවනම් කරුණාකර පිටිපස්ස තියෙන සංවිධායක කමිටුවට අදාළ මේසෙකට පැමිණ ඊට අදාළ කරන නෝටරය ලබා ගන්න. පිළිකර මේ වෙනදේ පාරගත්තේ නැත්නම් අද ගන්න කැමති නම් ලැබිලා කතා කරන්න අපිට ඒ සඳහා අදාළකට කලින් සුදුසුකම් කරනවා. Thank you.